Hello everyone and welcome to our first session of Insta Live on responsible hospitals. And I'm sure this first session will be a very important session which is going to give you a lot of important information about the pandemic situation which is going on. As you all know that these days there's only one topic which is absolutely going in everybody's mind, which is COVID, of course. So there are a number of people who really want to know how to get rid of it and what are the preparations we have to do if in case anybody is COVID positive. Because we have already spoken many a times that what we are going to do, just to avoid COVID, or let's say if we don't want to be part of COVID community. So we here want to do some important, exchange the information of some important things, that in case somebody who is COVID positive, what all preparation he has to do, what all are the steps he has to take. So we are going to talk all about it today with our special guest, Dr. Spurti Maan. So I'm just waiting for her to join us on this platform. She's a very, very senior doctor, a consultant and physician and diabetologist. And today she's going to give us a lot more details about how to isolate ourselves and how to get prepared for COVID-19. So I can see a lot of people joining us for this Insta Live. I welcome all of you. I hope that you all will be so happy after attending this session, because it's going to be massive in terms of information and you will be able to utilize a lot being at home. So guys, just be with us. Let's wait for her for some time, and I'll just try to add her here. Hi Prithvi, hi Nisha, hi Tushar, hi Chirag. I hope all of you are safe. If you guys have any questions, keep writing down here, keep sending me comments so that I can just pick up your question, because I'm sure every one of you must be facing these kind of challenges, because these days the cases have increased massively and every day you see new numbers and we have nothing to do with it. We just have to protect ourselves. So just to protect ourselves, we have to actually take care of a lot of important things on daily basis, which is what we will get to know in our today's session. So guys, I'm sure these days, because the numbers have increased too much, I would want that you all keep your things ready, as doctor will tell us. I think I'm going to add her now here. So hi, Dr. Spurti, welcome to our Insta Live session at Responsible Hospitals. So this is our first Insta Live, Dr. Spurti, and I'm so happy and glad that I'm doing it with you.
Thank you.
So Dr. Spurti, as you know that COVID cases are increasing day by day, and now the catch is that everybody's trying to protect themselves, but then people are out, everything is open now. It is so difficult to actually keep yourself, how can you avoid it in a nicer way, and how can you even keep doing your task also on daily basis. So I'm sure there are a number of people who have been talking about that there are COVID, when are the vaccinations coming, and how can we protect, but there is nobody who is talking about if you get, if you are a COVID positive person, what actually you have to do, and what are the isolation steps which you have to take, and how can we help in certain stages to our family members in case somebody is positive.
Yes.
So this session will talk about all this, Dr. Spurti. So I'll just start with my questions first. So my first question to you is that, as you know that all the numbers are increasing, so as the numbers are increasing rapidly, that how do we need to prepare ourselves?
See, now the COVID is, first it was, contact tracing. That only if you get out of the house, then you can, get it. But now everybody is working. So the risk is high. And when it is community acquired, then anybody can have. So the same precautions of social distancing आज की डेट में आपको ये मान के चलिए कि सामने वाले का स्टेटस क्लियर नहीं है, सामने वाले को स्टेटस ही मे बी पॉजिटिव. So you have to talk to every person, you have to engage with every person, considering that the other person may be positive. You understand? So हर एक से आप 2-2 मीटर की दूरी बना के and keep your conversation short.
Sure, sure.
Keep
Because
washing your hands, don't touch your face.
absolutely, because initially there were a lot of people, I think, when the lockdown started, people got little more secured and they really did, taking care of themselves really well. But now when the cases are decreasing in,
Yes.
rapidly, but they are now, going for free. They are not actually taking care of themselves. They are like,
क्योंकि
okay.
जो लॉकडाउन खुला है वो सिर्फ इकोनॉमिक रीजंस की वजह से ना, वो आपके हेल्थ रीजंस की वजह से नहीं. So don't take things for granted and don't become very casual.
Sure. So, Dr. Swati, what kind of essentials are required in case somebody who can actually work from home? So, what kind of essential needs which are required, which you suggest that they should keep it at home so they can actually avoid going out? Any medication you think they should keep it at home? All that.
See, normally सबको पता है कि कोविड का कोई शॉर्ट ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है, राइट? तो आपकी जो फीवर की मेडिसिन, जो पैरासिटामोल है या मल्टीविटामिन्स हैं, कीप ऑल दोस थिंग्स एट होम. एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली, अगर आपको बाय चांस यू गेट माइल्ड दिस थिंग, आपको कोविड का इन्फेक्शन है एंड यू आर आस्क्ड फॉर होम आइसोलेशन, सो होम आइसोलेशन के लिए आई वुड सजेस्ट कि घर पे आप सूखा चावल है, आटा है, आलू है, प्याज है, ये सारी सब्जियां और ये सब चीजें बेसिकली रखें, ताकि आपको रोज रोज बाहर, ऑब्वियसली फॉर 14 days, फॉर 17 days यू कैन नॉट स्टेप आउट ऑफ द हाउस. तो ये जो सूखी वाली चीजें हैं, दूध सूखा एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, ये सब इसका सप्लाई 14-15 दिन का, दैट यू मस्ट हैव.
Absolutely, so that they can actually avoid going out of the house.
Yes. And अगर बाय चांस इंटरप्टेड सप्लाई है, कहीं से आपके घर पे नहीं आई है या फिर कुछ ऐसा है, तो यू मस्ट हैव, दालें हैं, आलू है, प्याज है, चावल है, बस इतने में ही आप अपना गुजारा कर सकते हो. सो कोविड है तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल हैव टू गिव अप ऑन द लग्जरीज.
Absolutely. So, a person is like, they have to wait for the symptoms like coughing and fever, और let's say आजकल क्या हो रहा है डॉक्टर श्रुति, लोगों के गले में खराश भी हो रही है ना, they get a fear that कहीं कोरोना तो नहीं है.
Yes, very anxious. So most of my consultations, video consultations and other consultations, these are more about, patients anxious. Patient is very anxious कि थोड़ा सा टेस्ट, मुझे लगा कि आज मुझे टेस्ट का ना पता नहीं चला कि मीठा था या कैसा था. सो दे फील कि कहीं मुझे कोविड का इन्फेक्शन तो नहीं है. सो लॉस ऑफ टेस्ट है, लॉस ऑफ स्मेल है, दीज आर ओनली एसोसिएटेड थिंग्स.
ओके.
सो वी हैव सीन जो कोविड के पेशेंट्स हैं, उसको आप परफ्यूम भी सुनाओगे, दिस डजंट हैपन इन ऑल द पेशेंट्स.
ओके.
लेकिन अगर लॉस ऑफ टेस्ट और लॉस ऑफ स्मेल है तो वो एब्सोल्यूट लॉस ऑफ टेस्ट और लॉस ऑफ स्मेल है.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा आज मुझे टेस्ट का पता नहीं चला, दैट डजंट हैपन, एंड दिस इज अ एसोसिएटेड सिम्पटम. साथ में बुखार है, खांसी है, सांस लेने में तकलीफ है, ये है तो फिर इट इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी. बस थोड़ा सा मुझे खाने में पता नहीं चला कि टेस्ट क्या था, देन वी कैन नॉट से कि आपको कोविड है.
Sure. So at what stage they should, let's say somebody gets fever, mild fever or cough, at what stage they should get the COVID test done? Because that kids, the COVID test is not an easy thing to get it done.
Yeah,
people are like, even if they'll go to hospitals, even if they don't have COVID, they might get the COVID that day because of the rush and the waiting time. So till what time they should wait for the fever to go off?
वेट का ऐसा है कि देखिए, सब लोगों के पास एक ना एक कोई फैमिली फिजिशियन या जनरल फिजिशियन तो है ही.
Sure.
You can always ask him or her. So if there's a 20-year-old or there's a 25-year-old जिसको थोड़ा सा बुखार है और कोई सिम्टम्स नहीं है, तो वो 3-4 दिन के लिए ही कैन जस्ट वेट. लेकिन अगर सेम चीज किसी 70-year-old में है, उसको डायबिटीज है, उसको ब्लड प्रेशर का इशू है, ही हैज अ हार्ट इशू, देन आई वुड सजेस्ट कि अगर फीवर है तो इमीडिएटली कंसल्ट योर जनरल फिजिशियन और योर फैमिली फिजिशियन.
Sure. So this is the first step you suggest. So whenever they
Yes.
feel any symptoms or any doubts, they
Especially
can
in the
first.
high risk cases. High risk cases में जिनको की कोमॉर्बिडिटीज हैं, जिनकी की एज 60 years से ज्यादा है, या छोटे बच्चे हैं, ठीक है, या फिर डायबिटीज है, या HIV है, या कुछ ऐसी ऑटोइम्यून डिजीज है, या वो कैंसर पेशेंट्स हैं. सो दीज आर द पेशेंट्स whose immunity is on a lower scale. तो उनको फर्स्ट डे भी फीवर है तो प्लीज आस्क योर डॉक्टर. देयर इज नो हार्म.
Yeah, of course. So I'm getting some few questions online. I'll just start picking up. Sushil Verma is asking, ma'am, please suggest the things which can improve our immunity against corona.
Yes. So immunity is the word. अगर इम्यूनिटी अच्छी है तो कोरोना होके भी आप ठीक ठाक वापस आ जाओगे. So immunity, as I earlier also said, कि एक तो जेनेटिकली ही इनेट इम्यूनिटी हमारे अंदर है, एक एक्वायर्ड. सो एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी आपका प्रॉपर खाना खाने से, प्रॉपर रेस्ट लेने से, प्रॉपर आपके वाइटामिन ठीक होने से, एंड प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज, ये खाने से यू कैन इम्प्रूव ये सब चीजें करने से यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर इम्यूनिटी.
Sure. And I have got another question. Anshu Jain. Ma'am, I have cough from last more than 2 weeks and my IgL level test is 561. Is I am a high risk and what precautions should I take for a family and myself?
तो नाम क्या है इनका?
अंशु जैन.
देखिए 2 महीने से, अगर 2 हफ्ते से अगर आपको सूखी खांसी टाइप है and your IgE level is high, तो most likely it is allergic. Okay, most likely it is allergic. क्योंकि कोविड एक acute, it is an acute infection. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि 3 महीने से मुझे खांसी है तो आज की डेट में मुझे कोविड तो नहीं. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, अगर आपको एलर्जिक टेंडेंसीज या एलर्जिक ब्रोंकाइटिस या एस्थमा है, then the risk of getting COVID, that is also high. So you have to take all the precautions. And allergy specific anti-allergics हो सकता है inhaler की जरूरत हो, so you can consult the physician. But sure, this is definitely not COVID.
I'm sure she'll be happy to know this.
Yeah.
So Sid Jain is asking, are patients with sinus are on a high risk category?
Yes. So nasobronchial allergy के जो cases हैं, जिनको recurrent upper respiratory tract infection या सांस लेने में तकलीफ या asthma, ये सारी चीजें हैं, they are at a high risk. Yes, they are.
Okay.
So keep your immunity high, keep your vitamins levels good.
So do you suggest everybody should be taking multivitamins every day these days?
Yeah, see, you can take a multivitamin and also it depends on आपके vitamin level क्या है. तो vitamin D deficiency है तो accordingly we have to give. So you don't have to do self medicate because toxicity also happens.
So I'm sure they have to talk to
their
they have to talk to their
vitamin
doctor.
C is something you can have. और देखिए डाइट और एक्सरसाइज और जो हमारी लाइफस्टाइल है बेसिकली, उसका कोई रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं है. ठीक है, आप इधर से आप मल्टीविटामिन खाएं, उधर से आप रस मलाई खाएं, सो वो चीज वो फिर नलीफाई होती है.
Absolutely. Sushil Verma is asking if anyone having no symptoms and found positive for corona, what is suggesting points for that person? Is he need to be quarantined for 14 days?
See, एसिम्टोमेटिक के यूजुअली टेस्ट तो नहीं है, मतलब आजकल दिल्ली में भी और काफी जगह पे ऐसा है. सी आई बिलीव, आइडियली आई वुड बिलीव कि हर एक इंडिविजुअल का टेस्ट होना चाहिए, बट विद अ कंट्री ऑफ 130 CR, आई डोंट थिंक दैट इट इज प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल कि आपको कोई सिम्टम्स नहीं है और फिर भी आपका टेस्ट हो. तो बाय चांस आपका टेस्ट हुआ है एंड यू हैव कम आउट टू बी पॉजिटिव, सो आपका रिस्क जो है दूसरे लोगों को इन्फेक्ट करने का, दैट रिस्क है, बट दैट रिस्क इज नॉट वेरी हाई. सो बट हैविंग सेड दैट, आप पॉजिटिव तो हैं, राइट. सो अगर वर्क प्लेस में है, तो फिर they will definitely not want a positive person. So that is why you can self quarantine, and you can
Sure.
always wear this kind of a surgical mask for others protection. अगर आपको पता नहीं है कि आपको कोविड है या नहीं है, even then you have to wear it, because these days we can't be sure. And absolutely, if you know that you are a asymptomatic carrier, then please wear this.
Sure. So Sachin is asking, will herd immunity work in this case? I would like to know more about this, doctor. I think a lot of people are not even aware what is herd immunity. If you can just talk about
हर्ड
it.
इम्यूनिटी होता है जब बहुत सारी पॉपुलेशन को वो डिजीज ऑलरेडी हो रखी होती है, तो बहुत सारा इम्यूनिटी ऑलरेडी, बहुत सारे लोगों में इम्यूनिटी थोड़ी थोड़ी डेवलप हो रखी होती है. सो ईदर ड्यू टू प्रीवियस इन्फेक्शन और ड्यू टू वैक्सीनेशन. सो अभी हमारे पास वैक्सीनेशन तो है नहीं, और अभी इतने सारे लोगों को इन्फेक्शन भी नहीं हुआ. द केसेस आर स्टीपली राइजिंग. सो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ये आप इस गलतफहमी में मत रहिए कि यू विल सडनली गेट अ हर्ड इम्यूनिटी. अभी हो सकता है 3 महीने 6 महीने, दिस मच ऑफ time for herd immunity to develop.
Okay, sure. So I think the only idea is that they have to, build their
Take
own
full
immunity.
precautions. Yes.
Full precautions, right? Absolutely. Then I have another question. Just a second. On positive.
Symptoms भी किसी ने पूछे थे.
I think that we have already answered. Hospital Verma's question. Sachin is asking, is it important to wear mask all the time, even if we are taking a walk alone or driving a car?
हाँ, देखिए, आइडियली अगर आप गाड़ी में हैं और गाड़ी में कोई और आपके साथ नहीं है, सो मास्क इज आइडियली नॉट सर्विंग एनी पर्पस. हाँ, गवर्नमेंट ने कहा है कि आप हमेशा मास्क पहन के रखें, क्योंकि वो इफ्स एंड बट्स अगर लगा के कहेंगे तो पब्लिक को लार्जली समझ में नहीं आएगा. ओके, सो दे हैव यूनिवर्सली सेड कि आप मास्क हमेशा लगा के रखें. लेकिन आप वॉक कर रहे हैं, आगे कोई नहीं है, पीछे कोई नहीं है, गाड़ी में है, तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम अगर कोई नहीं है, देन मास्क इज नॉट नीडेड.
Sure. Suchita is saying,
भागते समय, रन करते समय, ब्रिस्क वॉक करते समय, उस टाइम अगर आप मास्क लगा के करेंगे तो यू विल गेट suffocated.
Yeah, because I've been seeing a lot of people are walking with the mask. They are doing jogging with the mask.
Please remove your mask.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't get close to other people, but don't run and jog, with a mask. It is not making any sense unless you are in a crowded place.
Absolutely. So Suchita is saying all the news is so negative around corona. Is there any good news about it?
So the good news, yes, there's a lot of good news about it, and I would suggest that you don't see the news as much. Okay, work on your immunity. So the good news is कि India में somehow not many people have landed up on a ventilator. बहुत सीरियस कैटेगरी या जो डेथ्स का रेशो है या वेंटिलेटर का रेशो है वो कम है एज कम्पेयर टू दी अदर कंट्रीज. सो दैट इज द गुड थिंग. तो कोरोना होने का मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि आपको सडनली यू विल गेट अ सीरियस डिजीज एंड यू विल लैंड अप इन द आईसीयू. सो दैट इज द ओनली गुड थिंग. या
श्योर. Jatin Sethi, is it actually that dangerous? Is it actually that dangerous, or it's been hyped by government and media?
See, government and media ने कुछ जानबूझ के they haven't hyped. They have seen कि दूसरे countries में क्या trends रहा है, and what we are seeing in our country also, that young patients, even young patients, उनको भी किसी को ऑक्सीजन की requirement है, right? So most of the cases, mild cases, 80 to 85% mild cases खांसी जुकाम के साथ वो ठीक हो जाते हैं, provided your immunity is okay. लेकिन डेंजरस प्रॉब्लम कोविड है, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं, लेकिन डरने की कोई बात नहीं.
Good. Is it? अच्छा, media वाला, we have taken the question. Please explain herd immunity. I think doctor has already explained about herd immunity.
He spoke about herd immunity.
Yeah. How to boost immune for diabetic patients? पृथ्वी सिंह।
डायबिटीज, ओके, सो डायबिटीज पेशेंट्स के लिए यू नो व्हाट इज HbA1c। तो HbA1c होता है जिससे हमारे पिछले 3 महीने की जो एवरेज शुगर है उसका आइडिया लगता है। तो अगर आपको डायबिटीज है तो आप पूरी कोशिश करिए कि वो 7 से नीचे है। अगर आपका 7 से नीचे है then I mean that is okay. If it is more than 7, then the risk of serious complications of any disease, they are high.
Okay.
With which we come back to your eating habits and your exercise and your medications.
Sure.
Yeah.
Joe is asking, my husband is 48 years old. He's having low-grade fever along with sore throat since 6th of June. Fever comes down to normal on its own without medicine. He's under home isolation.
Yes. So you can keep him under home isolation provided आपको उनके सिम्टम्स को वॉच करके रखो, उनके फीवर को वॉच करके रखो। अगर इफ ही हैज सम वार्निंग सिम्टम्स, नाउ वी डोंट नो कि कोविड है या कोविड नहीं है, सो यू कैन गेट हिम टेस्टेड। ओके, अगर सांस लेने में बहुत तकलीफ है या मेंटल डिजीनेस है या देयर इज दिस थिंग जिससे कि हम वी कैन चेक द ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन। So you can check the oxygen saturation. If the oxygen saturation falls below 93, 94, 93, then that is a cause of concern.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's an
These
important
4-5 things. Check the temperature, check the oxygen, and check basically how the patient feels.
Okay. So to check this oxygen level, they have to actually consult the physician. So do you think every physician have it?
ये अमेज़न पे और बाकी सारी चीज जगहों पे ये एक छोटी सी ये डिवाइस है जिसमें फिंगर पे लगा के यू कैन सी। हाँ, नेल पॉलिश नहीं लगी होनी चाहिए, कई बार नेल पॉलिश लगी होती है तो वो करेक्ट हाँ वो नहीं होता है, बट यू कैन इजीली सी।
So can you just repeat that fact you just said, that how much should be the level of measuring?
नॉर्मल आदमी का तो 98, 95, इट इज ऑलवेज अबव 95।
ओके।
ठीक है, अगर 94 या उसके नीचे की तरफ है, सांस लेने में कुछ तकलीफ है, मेंटल कंफ्यूजन है, 4-5 दिन के बाद भी बुखार इज आए, सो दीज आर द केसेस जिनको तुरंत मतलब हॉस्पिटल में कांटेक्ट करना चाहिए।
श्योर।
या फिर अपने डॉक्टर से कांटेक्ट करना चाहिए।
So suitable living environment. When can we expect to get medicine, or what is the best way to prevent yourself?
So preventive techniques have been discussed time and again. Preventive techniques are the same. अपनी शुगर को कंट्रोल में रखिए, अपने बीपी को कंट्रोल में रखिए, प्रॉपर हेल्दी डाइट खाइए, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स खाइए, मीठा ना खाएं, एंड कीप ऑल दोज प्रिकॉशंस of social distancing, using a mask, washing your hands. Okay, sleep is one very important thing. So patients come to me and when I ask कि आप सोते किस टाइम है, तो most of them are not having a good sleep hygiene. So sleep is one thing which is for, you know, even for your immunity, for your mental well-being, for your cardiac health, for your blood pressure. So that sleep also is very, very important.
Sure, doctor. So Joe has specifically asked, the one who shared about her husband, 48 years old. So she's asking, yes, does he require any COVID test now? Because the fever is not
देखिए, अगर बुखार है, sore throat है, खांसी है, and he's under home isolation, then I would suggest that moderate category 4-5 दिन से 6 से आपने कहा कि उनको है, so 12th 13th तो आ जाएगी। अगर इतने दिनों से बुखार है, you should get him tested. You should get him to a physician.
Sure.
Definitely.
So I got another question. Does virus stays in air? I'm sure everybody would have this question in their mind.
देखिए, बहुत सारी रिसर्चेस अभी हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली क्रिस्टल क्लियर नहीं है कि एयर में है या नहीं है। बेसिकली तो ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शन के साथ ही स्प्रेड है। आपने यू आर स्पीकिंग या आपने खांसी की या आपने छींका, देन 2 मीटर तक या कई बार 6 feet, सो दैट इज आवर ड्रॉपलेट। द मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन इज बेसिकली फ्रॉम अ पर्सन टू पर्सन। एयर में आप ऐसे घूम रहे हो, आप वॉक करने जा रहे हो, तो दैट नथिंग विल हैपन।
Okay.
Nothing
So I'm
like that.
sure after listening to this session, lot of people who are not walking now, they will start walking and
Please
jogging.
start walking. It will improve your immunity.
Yeah. So I think that will really help them to understand, because I'm sure there's a misunderstanding about this thing, because a lot of people are not even sure that it is in air or not. So it comes with
See,
a touch.
yes, when I say आप closed environment में अगर हैं, अगर आप मूवी थिएटर में, so मूवी थिएटर में तो आपके साथ बहुत सारे लोग हैं, so उस एयर में it is a possibility कि कोई हो, कोई मतलब कोरोना वायरस इन्फेक्शन या कोरोना वायरस हो, because there are too many people and it is a crowded place. अगर crowded place नहीं है and you're walking, then you know there are no chances.
But in societies, doctor, there are lifts. So multiple people use lifts. Let's say if somebody doesn't touch.
Yeah.
Of course, even we always use a toothpick to open the buttons and all. So is it okay even using those lifts, because it's being used by a number of people in a day?
Yeah, please ensure that you wash your hands. Please ensure. So when you touch the lift button and when you touch the door, then as soon as you reach the house, the first thing that you have to do is that you need to wash your hands.
Sure.
Yeah.
I have another question. Does this virus also affects dogs or pets?
See, pets and dogs का पहले कुछ ऐसे reports आए थे, but as of now there is nothing. Pets और dogs में dogs से scare होना, कई बार उनके ऑलरेडी कोरोना वायरस से उनको इम्यूनिटी पहले से ही है, क्योंकि एनिमल्स में ये पहले से ही ये वायरस प्रोबेबली है. सो वी हैवंट हर्ड ऑफ केसेस कि डॉग से किसी ह्यूमन को इन्फेक्ट हुआ. द ओनली मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन इज ह्यूमन टू ह्यूमन. सो बिवेयर ऑफ पीपल.
Thanks for this information, because I have a dog myself, so I'll be fine now.
Yes, absolutely.
So another question, people are walking while wearing a mask because it is said virus stays in the air for long.
These are futile questions कि पेपर पे कितने टाइम के लिए है, जूते में आता है कि नहीं आता है, कपड़े में आता है कि नहीं आता है, इस चीज पे 12 घंटे के लिए है, उस चीज पे 24 घंटे के लिए है, because you will not be able to do anything, right? And this जो fomite transmission है, this is known as fomite transmission, that when you touch, okay, you touch the surface जिस पे probably कोरोना वायरस है, and then you touch somewhere around your face, and then through fomite transmission it happens. So now WHO has also said, and other research is also, that fomite transmission is not the major source of transmission. The major source of transmission is human to human. Having said that, please wash your hands.
Absolutely.
When you touch some surfaces and then you touch your face, then there is a risk of infection.
Sure. Can surface transmission happens like via vegetables or couriers?
देखिए बहुत ही rare है. So far we haven't heard of couriers transmitting this. So as I just now what I spoke about was that keep washing your hands even if you have to receive something जो आपको probably लग रहा है कि sanitized नहीं है, that has been touched by somebody. So as soon as you receive it and you uncover it, the first thing that you need to do is to wash your hands. Go wash your hands and discard the upper covering. So once you do this, so you're safe.
So even we get a lot of, obviously everybody gets vegetables and fruits and milk in the morning.
Very,
so nowadays
very
everybody washes them.
Yeah, you can just wash. आप plain water से you can just wash. बहुत ज़्यादा साबुन और ये सब लगा के तो you'll spoil your vegetables.
Correct. And nowadays, so even people get groceries, they keep it for 24 hours, thinking that the virus will go itself, and then we'll start using it.
So see, these are things very, very rarely, that would happen. That would practically would not happen. And then you can uncover those things and wash your hands. And practically, that is not the mode of transmission.
Because somewhere or the other, you get to touch anything. Yeah. It's just that you have to remember washing hands or sanitizing.
You just have to take those basic precautions. We don't have to get paranoid.
Sure. Sushil is asking, ma'am, is asymptomatic COVID positive cases, what is the further guidance for them, for him?
So we spoke about asymptomatic cases. So अगर asymptomatic positive है, तो आजकल तो asymptomatic positives are not being tested. So the same quarantine period, and then you can go back to work. And the infectivity from an asymptomatic individual to another individual is already very low.
Okay.
But then keep your precautions, keep the mask.
Sachin is saying that I have heard from many people that we Indians have good immunity as compared to Western countries. But as per my knowledge, European people genes is better than Indians. Is it true or a myth?
See, to justify, anything, we can go on saying कि हमारी immunity अच्छी है. India tops in the cases of diabetes. So India is the world's diabetes capital. और अगर diabetes है, obesity है, central obesity है, पेट पे अगर fat है, blood pressure है, heart की diseases हैं, then we are just fooling ourselves by telling ourselves that our immunity is good.
Sure. Dr. Tushar Mehta is saying Dr. Swutiman has been of immense help to me and my friends in this COVID scenario.
Dr.
I wish her all the best and thanks once again. So thank you so much, Dr. Tushar, and we also feel so much pleasure having her here on our platform because she is actually passing through such information and such like helping people in direct manner because everybody is facing this challenge and we want people like you, Dr. Spurti, that they can really help and make them understand how they can protect themselves.
Thank you.
So I have Bittu is asking, hi, I have very mild fever since last 5 days, body pain and headache. I have asthma also, please suggest.
Yes. So it depends on what your age is. So if you belong to a younger age group and you do not have any other major symptom, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा खांसी नहीं है, सांस में तकलीफ नहीं है, तो I would suggest that you isolate yourself. Please isolate yourself. Because even if it is COVID or it is not COVID, I don't know whether you're being able to get it tested. आप टेस्ट करा पा रहे हैं, आप टेस्ट नहीं करा पा रहे हैं. But there may be other people in your house. So you have to go under home isolation. And just keep a watch कि आपका टेम्परेचर क्या है, ब्रीदिंग डिफिकल्टी है कि नहीं है, फीवर बढ़ता है कि नहीं बढ़ता है, एपेटाइट कैसी है, ऑल दोस थिंग्स. एंड इफ यू फील कि कहीं पे भी वर्सनिंग है, एंड एज आई सेड दैट प्लीज बाय अ पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर. तो अगर इसमें कहीं पे भी वर्सनिंग है, देन प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट योर डॉक्टर एंड गेट योरसेल्फ टेस्टेड, बट आइसोलेट योरसेल्फ.
So doctor, since you just mentioned isolation things, you spoke about what all we need at home while isolating ourselves. I have an important thing. Likewise, आजकल तो इतना लोग डर रहे हैं कि अगर घर की फैमिली मेंबर को भी होता है तो जो बाकी लोग साथ में रह रहे हैं, how can they actually help that person? मतलब what does it mean? How does it work? How will they pass on the food? That person cannot even come out of the house. I mean, out of the room. I mean, so how do you actually do it?
Yeah, exactly. So गुड़गांव एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की जो वेबसाइट है उसपे होम आइसोलेशन के प्रॉपर केयरटेकर के लिए, पेशेंट के लिए सारे गाइडलाइंस वहाँ पे हैं लिस्टेड. सो द पेशेंट हैज टू वेयर दिस अ सर्जिकल मास्क एंड इसको उन्हें 24 घंटे ही पहनना है बिकॉज पेशेंट से दूसरे लोगों को होने का चांस है. सो दिस दे हैव टू वेयर. एवरेज लाइफ की सिर्फ इसकी 8 घंटे की होती है. And more importantly, when you're wearing this, you don't have to touch it. अगर आपने आगे से ऐसे छुआ है, now this mask is useless. So, and the patient who is wearing this, उसको सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइड से इसको डिसइंफेक्ट करके तो ही उसको डस्टबिन में फेंकना है. पेशेंट को ये है, he can't just throw it in the dustbin.
Okay.
Because yes, he can't. So all these guidelines that he has to disinfect. तो इसको डिसइंफेक्ट करके तभी आप उसको डस्टबिन में फेंके. केयरटेकर ऑल्सो हैज टू वेयर दिस, ठीक है, एंड ही हैज टू वेयर ग्लव्स, एंड एज फार एज पॉसिबल दे हैव टू मेंटेन फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग.
Sure. We could see a lot of hospitals are coming up with isolation plans, isolation monthly. I don't know what is it.
So there are three things. Okay, mask is very important. Second is your physical distancing. तो अगर आप फैमिली मेंबर्स भी हैं तो 14 से 17 डेज bear with the positive patient. And the third thing is that your personal hygiene and the hygiene of the room in which that patient is staying. तो उसके कपड़े हैं, लिनन है, if अगर possible है तो patient should be washing himself. अगर नहीं possible है, अगर caretaker का है तो caretaker has to take all of these full precautions, and caretaker also has to ensure कि उसकी immunity बिल्कुल अच्छी है, because अगर immunity उसकी नहीं है अच्छी तो he can also get that infection. So the type of food that you're having, the sleep that you're getting, and if you are exercising, and patient को भी you have to provide healthy food.
Absolutely.
Water intake has to be high.
Okay. Jatin is saying that this current scenario caused the mental stress and anxiety. So how to get rid of the same?
See, mental stress and anxiety is, if you are prone to mental stress, if you are prone to anxiety, then any situation can give you anxiety. Now we have a situation at hand. Not all the people will be responding in the similar manner. Some people will get very anxious, some will be very casual, okay, and some will take the situation as it comes. So how it comes is Jatin, you keep your immunity and your lifestyle, you just manage this. अब जब होता है जो होता है, अगर आपकी immunity ठीक है, आपकी lifestyle ठीक है, आपको कोई comorbid conditions like diabetes, blood pressure या heart disease या ये सब चीजें नहीं है, so probably 80 to 85% cases will not have a severe disease, may not even need to go to a hospital.
Sure.
So इसलिए अपनी anxiety को आप दूर कर दो. When you're increasing your anxiety, you're reducing your immunity.
Okay.
This anxiety, channelize it into exercising.
Absolutely. Suchita is saying that there's a COVID positive case in my society. What should me and my family do to stay safe?
So if you're not interacting, these are type of queries I'm getting on an everyday basis. क्योंकि हर एक की सोसाइटी में अब एक ना एक केस या एक दो केसेस तो हैं ही.
Absolutely.
बाकी सोसाइटी में है तो आपको पता चला है कि है. हो सकता है कि पहले से ही हो सकता है कि asymptomatic cases हो. So the same precautions, the same things. Keep wearing the mask, keep washing your hands, junk food na खाएं, keep exercising, and you'll be okay.
Actually, that is what everybody has to do.
Not socializing and talking to people. Keep those conversations short. And at a distance.
Absolutely.
पार्क में घूमने जाते हैं तो घूम के वापस घर पे आ जाए. I have seen people start talking and they start forming groups.
Yeah, people who are very social, they
time
must be missing social meetings.
2 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पे हमें खड़ा होके 2 मिनट बात करने से there is no harm. But if you continue talking for 30 minutes and you're not wearing the mask, you're not taking precautions, then there can be a risk. देखिए आगे के 2-3 महीने they are very important. So cases are steeply rising and we are expecting कि August में और September में we'll find a peak, and after September or October the cases will start reducing. So next 2-3 महीने please be very very careful, क्योंकि वैसे भी in next 2-3 months में infectious diseases were always high. डेंगू का सीजन होता था, चिकनगुनिया होता है, टाइफॉइड होता है. So July, August and September always the infectious diseases are high, and now we also have corona.
Absolutely.
So for the next 2-3 months, just be very, very cautious. That's all that I can say.
Sushil is saying, how much homemade masks are protective? At what frequency we should wash those masks? As we cannot wear a mask for whole day, so every time we should change it, or one mask in a day is an option.
So homemade और cloth mask जो है, फायदा उसका ये है कि you can always wash it. Okay, and you can reuse it. ये जो surgical mask जो 3 layer mask है, this you cannot reuse. ये आप 8 घंटे तक use करके you have to throw it. But लेकिन ये cloth mask का इतना ज़्यादा protection as such नहीं है. And it also depends on what profession. So अगर आप public dealing profession में हैं, then I suggest that at least you wear a surgical mask. You don't wear a cloth mask. अगर आप public places में हैं, you've gone for shopping, you've gone for groceries, then your cloth mask is also enough.
Okay.
और डॉक्टर हैं कुछ ऐसे ऐसे circumstances में, then we have to use the N95. You might also need to use the N95.
Jatin is saying that thanks a lot, ma'am. You are a great help. Thanks for joining this session. Prithvi saying thank you so much, Spurti ma'am and Richa ma'am for guiding us. Thank you, Prithvi. Sachin is saying thanks, Richa, Shruti ma'am, Spurti ma'am. There are a lot of negativity around because of the new channel. Thanks for sharing true information, which is beneficial. So I have had great chance to interact with you, Dr. Suti, once again. I think we have clarified almost all the questions which are related to COVID positive patients, also who are right now facing these challenges of fever or cough, let's say. So I'm sure this will help. The major technical question was herd immunity, which you have really clarified it well, that we should not be living in we should not be living with the fact that it will
too early for herd immunity. और ये RNA वायरस है, जो कोरोना वायरस है, ये RNA वायरस है. जैसे स्वाइन फ्लू का 2009 में पैंडेमिक आया था, लेकिन आजकल भी हमें स्वाइन फ्लू के केसेस of late we do have swine flu cases. So this was another question that somebody asked me कि मैडम ये सब खत्म कब होगा. तो खत्म तो देखिए अचानक से आप उठेंगे और एक दिन सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा, कोरोना वायरस एकदम खत्म हो जाएगा. So that will not happen. जैसे स्वाइन फ्लू पहले बहुत विरुलेंट था, पहले बहुत सीवियर केसेस उसके थे, इन्फेक्टिविटी वाज वेरी हाई. नाउ ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ 10 years we have stopped taking all of those precautions. So similarly इसकी स्ट्रेन चेंज होते होते एंड हर्ड इम्यूनिटी आते आते बहुत सारे लोगों को इन्फेक्ट करने के बाद this will also become one of the viruses, but we are far away from the herd immunity and from those things. So at this point of time we have to exercise maximum caution.
Sure. So I think the diet, exercise, good sleep, good food is the key to build immunity.
Another question that I got was कि एक बार होता है तो दोबारा होता है.
Correct.
I'm sure you must have also got this question a lot of times.
Absolutely.
So as I said कि RNA वायरस है, so एक स्ट्रेन से हो सकता है कि आपको अभी है, so उस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेन से you get the immunity, but after say a month, after say 2 months, अगर कोई और ये म्यूटेट होके किसी और स्ट्रेन में आता है तो you can get a reinfection. लेकिन some amount of immunity वो रहती है. So maybe the second attack वो इतना severe type का नहीं हो, and it's not necessary. It is not necessary, but it can happen. और कितनी immunity होती है और कब तक लास्ट करती है, that is we are not very sure. हो सकता है 3 महीने तक रहे, हो सकता है वो 6 महीने तक रहे. So we are not about sure about these things.
But ऐसा भी
yes.
Sorry. So but ऐसा भी होता होगा डॉक्टर स्फूर्ति कि काफी लोगों को हुआ भी होगा कोविड और उन्हें पता भी नहीं चला होगा, and then it may have went off. Do you think so?
Yeah, absolutely. देखिए मार्च तक तो हमारे पास क्लिनिक में we had 40-50 patients. So every day I was seeing 40-50 patients, and mostly they were like cough patients, cough patients, sore throat patients. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मार्च तक we can say कि इंडिया में एक भी केस नहीं था, and suddenly अभी अप्रैल में आना शुरू हुए. So there is a possibility कि उस टाइम पे कुछ लोगों को हुआ हो, but we will not come to know. And हो सकता है कि कुछ लोग, देखिए इंडिया में I doubt the test costs 4,500. I doubt how many people will go and get tested. तो माइंड सा खांसी जुकाम होके अगर हो जाता है ठीक, so we will not never get to know.
Right.
Yeah, that might be.
Good enough. I think I'm done with all my questions, Dr. Spurti. Do you want to say something while ending this session with some key pointers for everyone to stay?
Yeah, one more thing I want to say is कि अगर किसी patient को COVID positive है and the authorities and the doctor has said that you go for a home isolation, and for 14 or 15 days he has to monitor how is his health. Now God forbid दूसरे हफ्ते में इसमें हाइपोक्सिया होने की या ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन लो होने के चांसेस हैं. Okay. So not in all the cases, but in few cases. Now, if you see कि थोड़ा सा सांस लेने में तकलीफ है, अगर बुखार बहुत है, सांस लेने में तकलीफ है, saturation is less than 94, 93, that is the time that you should get hospitalized. और आई डोंट नो कि अभी तो है कैसी है सिचुएशन आगे जाके. इट इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि बेड्स की अवेलेबिलिटी, वेंटिलेटर की अवेलेबिलिटी, हॉस्पिटल की अवेलेबिलिटी वो नहीं हो. दैट इज क्वाइट अ पॉसिबिलिटी. तो सारे हॉस्पिटल्स के होम आइसोलेशन पैकेजेस वगैरह हैं. दो इन सब केसेस को जिनको की ब्रीदिंग डिफिकल्टी है, जिनका की सैचुरेशन लोअर साइड में है, आइडियली दे शुड बी हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड. बट इन द रेयर सिनेरियो जैसे मुंबई में है या प्रोबेबली अभी दिल्ली में है, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग कैन आल्सो हैपन कि आपको ऑक्सीजन वगैरह का अरेंजमेंट यू मे हैव टू डू इट एट होम. यू मे हैव टू डू इट एट होम. एंड उसमें अवेक प्रोनिंग इज अनदर थिंग कि अगर ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन फॉल होता है तो आप पेट के बल उल्टा लेट के अगर सांस लेते हैं तो दैट हेल्प्स. तो सीधा लेटने के बजाय आप उल्टा लेट सकते हैं. So these are the small things. So ideally, as I said, the patient should be hospitalized. But in some, unfortunate cases, agar hospitalization is not possible, then these are the small things that can be done.
Done. I've got 3 more questions. If we can just cover up these faster. Joe is asking, my husband doesn't have any cough, just sore throat and low-grade fever. Appetite and oxygen level is also okay. ESR and TLC are high. What should we do?
See, again, it depends on, how many, agar घर में elderly लोग हैं, and if you feel that, this infection cannot, I'm not saying कि COVID है या COVID नहीं है. Sore throat है, fever है, there are chances कि COVID है. But there can also be other sore throat causing viral infections, sore throat causing bacterial infections. So you can get him tested. You can get him tested, and he should definitely be in home isolation. And if you feel that symptoms are improving, so another 10 days, complete a 17 days of isolation. And when the symptoms are totally fine, 3 दिन तक बुखार नहीं है, कोई sore throat नहीं है, सांस लेने में तकलीफ नहीं है, then he can come out of the isolation.
Sure, doctor. Manoj is saying that, ma'am, how long time we can wear N95 mask without wash?
Without wash?
Without wash.
You can't wash your N95. So when you wash your N95 mask, and if you're washing your N95 mask, then that mask is not effective. So don't wash your N95. अच्छा, N95 के लिए रूल ये है कि अगर आप 4 N95 आपके पास हैं तो you can label it as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and consequently हर 4 दिन में आप उसको रिपीट कर सकते हैं for a period of 20 to 25 days. So 20 दिन के बाद जब आपने 5 बारी एक N95 मास्क 24 आवर्स या 8 आवर्स के लिए पहना है, आफ्टर 20 to 30 days you will have to discard. लेकिन आप रीयूज आपको हर 4थे दिन पे या हर 5वें दिन पे यू कैन रीयूज. उसको आपको वॉश नहीं करना है. आपको पेपर बैग में उसको बस एक जगह पे टांग के या सुखा के उसको वो रखते हैं. एंड ऑन द 5th डे, then the mask that you wore on the 1st, so on the 5th also you can wear the same. So you have to label it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and again go 1, 2, 3, 4. This you can do it for 20 days. Cool. Please don't wash it, and if you've washed your N95 then throw them.
Buy another one. Yeah. Buy another one now.
Yes. एक और मुझे बात याद आई कि मेरा एक कोविड पॉजिटिव एक पेशेंट था. So, see, when we explain the guidelines of home isolation, there's some things we get to know by experience. So when I told him you have to wash the utensils and other such stuff for the patient, now unintentionally he said, can we use the disposable utensils for the patient? Now the caretakers and the patient, उनको कोई idea नहीं है that when they're using that disposable thing and you wash it and then they throw it. So when they throw it, बाहर कूड़े वाला लेके जाएगा, everybody can get infected.
Absolutely.
So please don't use the disposable utensils. आप स्टील के बर्तन इस्तेमाल करिए, उसको साबुन से धोइए, सुखाइए, that is good.
Correct.
This was another thing that I came across.
Yeah, actually, it's an important thing. Nobody will think. They might feel safe at home, but
because
it
was very totally unintentionally that he said. It was that, you know, I told him that this could, you know, potentially spread the infection. And similarly, they throw the mask. This is another thing that I would like to tell people कि इसको आप ऐसे सड़क पे ऐसे उस तरफ ऐसे मत फेंकिए, ठीक है? It has secretions. It can be contaminated and it can spread the infection.
Right. So, thank you. And Himanshu is asking, why is it taking too long to make COVID vaccine? Okay.
No, it is not taking too long to make COVID vaccine. Generally, vaccine में trials, you know, there's a phase 1 trial, 2 trial, और जब ट्रायल होगी उन्हें 100% ये कह पाते हैं कि ह्यूमंस के यूज के लिए ये यूजफुल है और सेफ है, तभी वो मार्केट में आती है. तो जनरली इस प्रोसेस को करते करते ही 2-3 साल या 2 साल तो आराम से लग ही जाते हैं. बिकॉज कोविड है, पैंडेमिक है, सो दे आर हरिंग अप विद थिंग्स rather than, you know, they are taking, because अगर कोई ऐसी वैक्सीन मार्केट में आएगी which harms, you know, that will be even more dangerous. Actually. And one more thing I would like to say कि influenza और respiratory diseases के लिए vaccines don't provide 100% immunity. अगर आप आज बैठे हैं and you are thinking that, you know, if a vaccine comes and we would be 100% immune, so that won't happen.
Okay.
Swine flu vaccine also provides a 30 to 40% immunity. These vaccines do not provide 100% immunity. So you have to take care of your own immunity.
Sure. I think so many things, so many new things I've learned today.
Yes, too many people are waiting for a wonder vaccine, you know.
Yeah.
So that won't help.
So that might time. It's time to do exercise, as doctor has been saying and pushing us to sleep well, to take good diet.
Right.
That only can help us to survive and to actually live a good life also. Yes. So thank you, Dr. Swati. It was really an interactive and important information which you have shared. I'm so happy because I myself was not aware of a lot of things and I was so deeply involved. And a lot of new information, a lot of new facts you have opened up with. I'm sure a number of people are not even aware of these basic things which you just mentioned about masks, or you mentioned about, you know, herd immunity or vaccine. People are, you know, it's just like convincing yourself, thinking that one day the magic will happen. It's like we have to create something for ourselves, for the society. So thank you so much. It was really great having you here. We may do another session soon. Pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much, Dr. Swati. Thanks everyone.
Thank you for posting.
Thanks everyone who has joined this session. Thanks everyone. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Take care.